To my one and only love. Today we are getting officially hooked, and I want to let you know how much I love you on this amazing day. I think of you when you're gone, whether it's 2 hours or 5 weeks. Every second with you I cherish. Your laugh makes my heart smile. I can't believe that you're mine. I don't deserve the love you give me every day, but I will always take it and cherish it forever. I hope you know that you have my heart and soul. I love you more than you will ever know. I love to look at you and watch you when you don't know. I drink you in every gesture and every small detail of your face. I love loving you. I love everything about you, even the things that you think I don't. Our hard times made me love you even more. You've shown me what it is to love. You've given me a family and you've given me joy.
I knew she would have touched my right cheek.
We have gone through what seems like 10 years in 3. And I am so excited and happy that we get to spend many more years together and a lifetime making each other happy. There's a million other people in this world and a million other places we could be, but you're here with me. Fate has brought us together. Take a moment to take it in, because I sure am. Every high and every low in our past lives has led us here on this day. I am so glad you came into my life and that you exist, and I feel like the luckiest woman in the world right now. It's funny how a hi from a stranger has led us here. You are here with me, celebrating our love and life. I promise to always be here and to always love you unconditionally, with no expectations, just pure love. I'm in this for life and forever, and will always be, even when death comes knocking at our door. I will continue to love you. The life we have built together is like a dream, and I couldn't imagine having this with anyone else. We have worked hard and grown together to have this, right here. But even if we had nothing, I would still love you because of the happiness and the joy that you give me. It's priceless. I notice every little thing you do for me. You are such an amazing man and father, and I am proud my son gets to look up to you. You are an amazing stepfather, and thank you for loving my children like your own. I'm excited to stand by you and to watch our family grow. I dream and hope every day that all of our children find the love that we have. I love you unconditionally, forever. I am yours for life. P.S. If I could change anything in my life, it would be to meet you sooner so I could love you longer.